So when you want to create an SSH key and then link it to your um, GitHub, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so assuming you've done all these already, right? So we now come here, create an SSH key, and then because you are using Windows, we aren't going to use the exact that we are using CMD. We aren't going to use the exact command here, right? We'll just do some adjustments there. So you change this to dir, right? And then you just remove the tilde sign and then the forward slash, then just press on enter. Okay, so it says invalid switch, meaning our file might not be over there, right? So now we need to create it using this command. So you just copy this, right? You paste it here and then you change this to your email. Okay, so it says enter file, just press enter until you get something like this, right? Okay, sorry, mine was different because I had already created one. So I'll just press yes here, but you also just go straight to the passphrase. Just press enter, enter, and then it generates like this for you. Okay, yes. So now we need to link our SSH key to our GitHub account. So what we need to do is to just head over to GitHub, right? And then go to your profile, go to settings, SSH and GPG keys here. Okay, so I'll just delete this one I had already, right? And then I'll enter a new SSH key. So I can just type my key, right, for this SSH key. So now we need to put in the key that we got over here into this field. Okay, so let's look at how they did it. So the next thing for us to do is to use this command, right? But one thing we realize is that when you put it in here and then when you press enter, it doesn't work. Okay, this is actually because we are using a command prompt. But either ways, you can use. I'm trying this. You can use. I think you can use type and then just press enter. Okay, so this one is also incorrect. So one way I got around this is to use PowerShell. Okay, so for me, when I use a PowerShell like that, it doesn't come, so I have to use the ISC. But then yours is actually the same as the PowerShell, like the first option that you might have seen, right? So you see that right now the path over here we're in C. Look at the C and then users and then PC. But then this one we are in C and then Windows and System 32, so we have to go upwards, right? So you can just do CD dot dot to go up person directory cd dot dot, right? And then we'll just do another cd and then we'll type users, right? That's what I have here, users forward slash pc. Okay, and then we'll go to directory. So now we can paste this, we can copy this and then paste it over here, and then we'll get the SSH key over here. Okay, so you just copy this one, the output line, like the one that starts with SSH and then ends with your email address, top domain, right? Control C. Then you come to your GitHub and then you just paste it over here, and then you're done. You've got your key associated with it. Yeah, so that's how you do it.